This 10-minute avocado pasta is about to become your new favorite meal. Hey everyone, my name is Alok G and you're watching Avocado File, your go-to channel for recipes with avocados. Subscribe now for a weekly inspiration for avocado recipes and let's get started. For this simple recipe, you'll need just 8 ounces of your favorite pasta, I prefer spaghetti, 1 perfectly ripe avocado, following my 4 simple rules: not too firm, not too soft, not too green, not too dark. Refer for more in my previous video. Fresh basil, garlic for flavor, lemon juice to prevent browning, olive oil, and some Parmesan cheese, which you can easily swap for nutritional yeast if you are keeping it vegan. Start by bringing a pot of salted water to a boil and cook your pasta according to package directions. Remember to reserve some pasta water before draining. This starchy liquid is secret to silky smooth sauces. While your pasta cooks, create your sauce by combining the avocado, fresh basil, garlic, lemon juice, and olive oil in a blender. Look at that gorgeous green color. The consistency should be smooth and pourable. Add a splash of pasta water if needed to adjust. Next, toss your hot pasta with this vibrant avocado sauce. The heat from pasta helps the flavors meld beautifully. If it's too thick, add a bit of more pasta water until you reach that perfect silky consistency. Season with salt, freshly cracked pepper, and red pepper flakes if you like a little heat. Fold in some Parmesan for extra richness and depth of flavor. Finally, garnish with a final sprinkle of cheese. There you have it, a restaurant-worthy pasta dish in just 15 minutes. This avocado pasta is perfect for busy weeknights, but impressive enough for weekend dinner parties. Try adding cherry tomatoes, spinach, or grilled chicken to make it your own. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for weekly avocado videos. See you in the next video.